Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be working on this beautiful berry tone smoky eyes using the Morphe BossMood palette and an ombre eyeliner. And yes, if you guessed it, we're just going to go ahead and start Valentine's Day looks. It's not too early to start rocking some red and berry tones and some pinks. So we're going to start off this look by priming with our Milani eyeshadow primer and our e.l.f. loose powder to catch fallout. Once again, we're using the Morphe BossMood eyeshadow palette. Love this palette. We are going to be picking up this kind of warm brown here. And all the names of the eyeshadows will be in the description box and where I applied them on the eye. Now we're applying this in our crease with windshield wiper motions. And I was pointing with the brush at my orbital bone. You can feel your orbital bone. So you're going to lay your brush against that area. Tilt your eye up a little bit if that makes sense. And close your eyelid and your brush in between your crease and your lid, if that makes sense. And windshield wiper that eyeshadow just on that area. No higher, no lower. Next up, we're going to be picking up this beautiful berry eyeshadow, and I'm going to pat that on my eyelid. First, we're going to work with the lid, and then we'll work it a bit in the crease, but first we're really going to work that and build the shade up on our lid. The shade is so pigmented, doesn't even need a secondary base under there to help it adhere. It's not patchy at all, and it's such a beautiful matte. Yeah, and just keep working that, and slowly you'll be able to tell that we're going to bring it a little into the crease, and we're going to blend it with that brush. I'm going to start blending those two shades together, and the berry tone shade will just kind of slowly become part of that brown. Same with the brown. Now we're taking a slightly darker berry toned eyeshadow. Once again, these will be listed in the description box. And I'm going to lightly apply that in the outer corner. Slightly bringing it up a little into the crease, and we're going to blend that all together as well. It just gives it a little bit of dimension on the outer corner, and it's just not bam in your face, just a tiny bit. So we're applying the darker shade to the lower lash line. Working that in and connecting it to the outer corner of our look. We're going to be taking the NYX single eyeshadow in Pure Skin, and I'm using this as a highlight because there's not a direct matte highlight in this eyeshadow palette that I was using, so we got one and we used it. So I'm just using that to blend down edges. I'm going back in with the crease brush that I used with a little bit of that warm brown on there, and I am blending the brow bone with the crease. And see how those colors just like melted together? Like, it's so beautiful. Wipe away our fallout. Next, we're going to be going in with this light shimmery creamy shade, and I'm applying that in the inner corner as a highlight. I love smoky eyes, but I really hate when my eye gets closed off, so I always do an inner corner highlight when I do smoky eyes. And I'm bringing that a tad in the onto the lid and in the crease, just a little. I like how it looks, and I'm gonna blend that in with the look, and they just go together so well, so seamlessly. These shades, if you guys do not own the Morphe BossMood palette, I highly recommend. It's so awesome. I'll just keep blending that out. I love it. I love it. Now I'm going to take a Q-tip and clean out my waterline, and then we're going to use the Milani Stay Put eyeliner to tightline our waterline and our upper rim as well. I'm using the Loreal Paradise. It's a liquid liner. It's in Rose Gold. So we're going to put that on 3/4 of our lid. We're going to leave the other quarter half of our lid open for now. I saw this lady do a look with ombre eyeliner, and I think it was Shannon XO, and oh my, I just had to. So this black eyeliner is also from Loreal, and it's the Linear Intense, and I'm just going to try to blend those two together so that beautiful rose gold metallic blends right in with the black eyeliner. It's If you haven't tried this, you should. You'll probably fall in love with it as well. So to make a sharper line, I'm using the Physicians Formula eyeliner pen, just to make a sharper end on there. And honestly, now that I can see that, I went back over one of the areas with the rose gold on my other eye, and it's in my lashes, and it's literally driving me crazy. But, oh well. We're taking the Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara, and we are putting our mascara on. And our eyes are done. Oh my goodness, isn't this such a beautiful look? And if you have green eyes, baby, look at them pop. First lip color is a berry tone lip color. These lipsticks or lip glosses I'm using are from the HardCandy 20-piece set. And this is a slightly more toned down, darker version of that first shade. And then the last shade we're going to do, and a fun little reveal, is a nude shade. It's matte. I prefer the matte lips, but you can apply any lip color you want to with this. Any berry toned. Red would probably even work with this. And I applied also a little bit of LaColors highlight in the center of my nude lip. How beautiful did this come out, you guys? I love it. I'm in love with that ombre eyeliner. And I had to share it with you guys in case any of you hadn't seen her video, because I'm obsessed with ombre eyeliner now. But yes, that's the tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. We got a good start on Valentine's Day looks. Thank you guys always for watching. Don't forget to check the description box for additional links as well as product list, names of all of the eyeshadows I use from the Morphe palette. Like the video, comment, subscribe, ring the bell if you haven't already.